regularly. Listen, becoming too comfortable of the way things has always been done will stifle, and I do mean stifle, an individual as well as an organization. One of the favorite things, family, I had to take breathing practices when I used to hear this when I was leading teams, and I would say, so why are we doing that? uh, Again, the why method. Why are we doing that? And they'll say, well, we've always done it that way. Huh? You've always done it that way, and so you can't explain the why behind it. So being able to really regularly review processes and encourage, this is key, family, watch this, encourage team members to suggest improvements and celebrate those who bring new ideas to the table, even if these ideas challenge the existing norms. I know that when you would challenge existing norms, it makes people that may have either put those in place or didn't have the courage to challenge those that are in place, or watch this, the third thing, that thought about it but said, well, that's how we always do it. So they just roll with the punches. And now you come along and you say something to challenge it, and then leadership say, yeah, I like where he's going with that, or I like where she's going. Let's go ahead and implement that. And now they're frustrated. So, family, have the courage to challenge the norms. Ask that why. I use that why method.